Hello dear friends, welcome to this new video. Today we are going to see an interesting and educational clip about the best professional way to repair cracks in old walls. So stay with me until the end of the video because we have a lot of practical tips, and be sure to leave your comments at the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss the next videos. Thank you very much. Repairing cracks and restoring old walls requires careful preparation and the right materials to ensure a long-lasting finish. Here's a step-by-step guide to the best methods. 1. Assess the damage. Hairline cracks less than 1/8 inch, typically caused by settling or minor shrinkage. Medium cracks 1/8 to 1/2 inch, often due to structural movement or temperature changes. Large cracks wider than 1/2 inch may indicate serious structural issues. Consult a professional. Old wall issues: crumbling plaster, efflorescence, white salt deposits, or loose material. 2. Gather materials and tools. For small cracks, spackling paste, joint compound, or acrylic caulk. For larger cracks, patching plaster, hydraulic cement for masonry, or epoxy filler. For old plaster wall, plaster of Paris or a bonding agent like weld bond for better adhesion. Tools: putty knife, utility knife. Wire brush, sandpaper 120-220 grit, damp cloth, primer, paint. 3. Prepare the surface. Clean the crack, remove dust, loose debris, and peeling paint with a wire brush or vacuum. Widen the crack slightly if needed with a utility knife for better filler adhesion, V-notch technique. Dampen the area for plaster or masonry to prevent the filler from drying too fast. Fill the crack. For small cracks, spackling joint compound. Apply lightweight spackle or joint compound with a putty knife. Smooth it flush with the wall and let it dry. Sand lightly and apply a second coat if needed. For medium cracks, patching plaster or mortar. Use a pre-mixed patching compound or mortar mix for masonry. Press firmly into the crack and feather the edges. Let dry completely before sanding. For large cracks or crumbling plaster, remove loose material and apply a bonding agent. Use a setting-type joint compound like Durabond or Plaster Repair Mix. Reinforce with fiberglass mesh tape if needed for long cracks. Sand smooth after drying. For old brick or concrete walls, use hydraulic cement for active leaks or epoxy filler for deep cracks. Apply in layers if necessary. Finishing the cartridge. Sand the repaired area smoothly once dry. Wipe away dust with a damp cloth. Apply a primer, especially important for plaster or porous surfaces. Paint to match the wall. Preventing future cracks. Ensure proper wall drainage for exterior cracks. Control humidity levels indoors. Use flexible caulk for areas prone to movement, corners, window frames. Consider latex additives in plaster for extra flexibility. When to call a professional. If cracks reappear quickly, it may indicate foundation issues. For load-bearing wall cracks. If the wall has mold, water damage, or severe damage. By following these steps, you can achieve a smooth, durable repair that blends seamlessly with your existing wall. Let me know if you need product recommendations for your specific wall type.